Jai Hind to all. Myself Dr. Sunil Ajaria. I am Associate Professor in the Department of Food Technology, Swami Vivekanand Subharti University, Meerut. In this lecture, I will discuss about some numericals based on the Venturi meters. In my previous lecture, I have discussed about the concept of the Venturi meter and also derived the equation for the Venturi meters. Now, here some problem based on the Venturi meter. You can see that a horizontal Venturi meter with inlet and throat diameters are 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Means the inlet diameter is 30 centimeter and throat having the diameter 15 centimeter. Is used to measure the flow rate of water. The reading of differential manometer connected to the inlet and the throat is 20 centimeter of mercury. Determine the rate of flow while taking the coefficient of discharge is 0.98. Here in this problem we have to calculate the flow rate of the liquid using these data. First of all, we will write the given data. The diameter at the inlet section. You know about the Venturi meter. I am drawing the Venturi meter here. This is Venturi meter. This is Venturi meter. This is the inlet. This is outlet. As you know about the Venturi having three sections. First is the converging section. Second is throat. And third is the diverging section. These three sections are involved in the Venturi meter. Now, according to the problem, Venturi meter having the inlet diameter. The inlet diameter is 30 centimeter and throat diameter is 15 centimeter. How to calculate the flow rate using the Venturi meter expression? Now you can see that the diameter of inlet is 30 centimeter. We have to convert into the meter, and using this diameter we have to calculate the area at the inlet section. Area you know about the pi by 4 d square, or you can say that pi r square. Pi by 4 d1 square, putting the value of d1 here 30 centimeter, and after calculating this we will get the area at the inlet 706.85 centimeter square. Now converting into the meter. Now the throat diameter is 15 centimeter here, and area of the throat pi by 4 d square, putting the value of diameter here 15, and after calculating we will get the area of throat is 176.7 centimeter square. Here the coefficient of discharge is also given having the value 0.98. Everybody know about the Venturi meter. The coefficient of discharge should always be less than 1. Here the value of coefficient of discharge is 0.98. And the reading of differential manometer X is 20 centimeter of mercury. So the difference of pressure head, as we have already discussed about the difference of pressure head for the different cases in our previous lectures. Now using the equation difference of pressure head is equal to X SH over S naught minus 1. SH is the specific gravity specific gravity of heavier liquid and S naught is the specific gravity of standard. We have taken as a standard in this problem water. Now, specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. Specific gravity of water is 1. In this equation, putting the value of X, SH and S naught. X value 20 centimeter and specific gravity of mercury 13.6, this value. Specific gravity of water 1, putting this value, and after calculating this we will get the pressure head difference 252 centimeter of water. We have find the value of H, which is known as the difference of pressure head, which can be used for the further calculation in order to determine the flow rate of the given problem. Now, discharge through Venturi meter is given. Discharge, as you know about the formula of discharge, which is equal to CD, coefficient of discharge, multiplication area for the inlet section and area of the outlet section, and under root 2GH upon under root A1 square minus A2 square. And we have, obviously, according to the problem, we have all the values A1, A2, CD and H. H is also have been calculated using this equation. Now, putting all these values in this equation, you can see here, this is the formula of the calculation discharge of the Venturi meter. Putting all these values, and after calculating the values, we will get the rate of discharge is 125.756 meter. So, according to this numerical, we are able to find the flow rate of the liquid for the given data. Similarly, you can also determine the flow rate of that particular problems. Now, let us consider the next problem. Next problem is that here an oil of specific gravity 0.8 flowing through a Venturi meter. All the problems based on the Venturi meter. Through Venturi meter having inlet diameter 20 centimeter and throat diameter is 10 centimeter. The oil mercury differential manometer shows a reading of 25 centimeter. This numerical is just like previous numericals, so don't afraid. This is a very simple numerical based on the direct putting the value in the given equations. Calculate the rate of discharge of oil through the horizontal Venturi meter. Here we have also taken the value of coefficient of discharge is 0.98. Okay, now we will see the solution of this numericals. According to the problems, specific gravity of oil is given 0.8. 0.8 nothing unit, because of that specific gravity having the no unit, it is the dimensionless quantity, density upon density. Second, specific gravity of mercury 13.6. Reading of the differential manometer X is equal to 25 centimeter. Now similarly, difference of pressure head H is equal to X SH upon S naught minus 1. Putting the value of a specific gravity of oil and a specific gravity of mercury in this equation, we will get the difference of pressure head as 400 centimeter of oil. Next, diameter of inlet is given 20 centimeter. You know about the, if diameter is given, then you are able to find the area of that particular section, either section 1 or either section 2. Area of inlet is pi by 4 d1 square, pi by 4 d square, putting the value of d1 here, and after calculating the value of a1 is 314.16 centimeter square. d2 is also given 10 centimeter. Using this diameter we can find the area a2 pi by 4 d2, putting this value here, and after calculating this we will get a2 78.54 centimeter square. Coefficient of discharge is also given 0.98. In 99% cases, coefficient of discharge will be taken as the 0.98, not more than 1. Because of that, coefficient of discharge for the venturimeter cases should always be less than 1. Now the discharge rate is given by this formula. In order to calculate the rate of discharge of any fluid or any liquid, we have the value area for the both sections, section 1 and section 2, coefficient of discharge, which is also known 0.98, and here the value of H, which have already calculated using this formula, which is having the value 400 centimeter of oil. And after putting all the value in this equation and after calculating all these values, we will get the rate of flow of that particular liquid which is flowing in the venturi pipe, 70.465 liter per second. Okay, got it? Okay, now we will move to the next numerical. Okay, in this numerical we have also the value, given value, inlet diameter 200 mm, throat diameter 100 mm, the pressure at inlet 0.18 Newton per mm square. The difference between this numerical and the previous two numericals is, in two numericals previously there is no value of pressure is given, but in this numerical the pressure at inlet section is given as 0.18 Newton per millimeter square, and the vacuum pressure at the throat is 280 mm of mercury. Two pressures are given in this numerical. First is the at the inlet section 0.18 Newton per mm square, and the vacuum pressure at the throat 280 mm of mercury. Find the rate of flow rate. In this numericals we will also find the flow rate, but in terms of the pressure. The value of CD may be taken as 0.98. There is no difference between the value of coefficient of discharge which was taken in the previous two numericals, and in this numericals we have also taken the value of coefficient of discharge as 0.98. Here in this numerical we have to calculate the flow rate. Okay. Now the solution is this. According to the numerical, we have inlet diameter of venturi is 200 mm, which is equal to 0.2 mm, 0.2 meter, sorry, 0.2 meter, and area of inlet using this diameter 0.0314 meter square. Throat diameter is 100 mm, which is equal to 0.1 meter. Area of throat, we are able to calculate the area of throat using the diameter of the throat using this formula pi by 4 d square. We all know about the area is equal to pi r square, where r is equal to b by 2, putting these value in this equation, then area is equal to pi b over 2 का whole square is equal to pi by 4 b square. This formula, and this formula, using this formula we can calculate the area of throat, area of inlet section, area of outlet section, wherever applicable. So area of throat pi by 4, diameter is 0.1, putting these values, and after calculating area of throat is 0.00785 meter square. Pressure inlet, we have to calculate the flow rate using the given data in terms of the pressure. Pressure at inlet is 0.18 Newton per mm square, converting 180 kilonewton per meter square. And we all know about the Bernoulli's equations. We have already studied about the Bernoulli equations, in which the three heads are constant. First is the pressure head, kinetic head, and third is the datum head. Here we are using the pressure head, P1 over W. P1 is the pressure, and W, what is W? W is the specific weight of liquid. Specific weight of liquid. Here water taking, therefore the specific weight or specific gravity of the water is 9.81. Then putting the value of specific weight 9.81 and pressure value 180, we will find the term P1 over W, which is also known as the pressure head, is equal to 18.3 meter. Okay, now vacuum pressure at the throat. There are three sections now. There are three sections: converging section, throat, and diverging section. We have taken in the converging section as a inlet, and second section we have cutted the throat. So vacuum pressure at the throat, P2 over W, which is equal to minus 280 mm of mercury. And after converting this minus 0.28 millimeter to meter of mercury, and mercury converted into the water by multiplying the specific gravity of the mercury, 13.6. Then we will get the vacuum pressure at the throat of water, 3.8 meter of water. Okay, now coefficient of discharge is also given 0.98. Differential head P1 upon W minus P2 over W is equal to 18.3, this one minus 33.8 meter, and after calculating this we have find the value of H, which is required for the calculation of flow rate in the Venturi meter, 22.1 meter. This is the value of H. This is the differential head, which is used in the equation of the Venturi meter. Now similarly, using the relation is what? Relation of flow rate in case of the Venturi meter. You all know about this. Q is equal to CD into A1 A2 upon under root A1 square minus A2 square under root 2GS. Now we have all the values used in this problem and find the Q. CD, value of CD is 0.98. Area A1 is 0.0314 meter square. A2 area 0.00785 meter square. Under root 2 G, value of G is equal to you know 9.81. H 22.1 meter. And now finally after putting all these values which is required for the calculation for the rate of flow, after putting these values and after calculating all these values, we will find the flow rate of that particular liquids which is given in the problem. Q is equal to 0.165 meter cube per second. Okay, thank you.